A lorry of mass a lorry of mass 1000 kilogram moving with an acceleration of a. Due to this, one block of mass 1 kilogram attached to the front plane of the lorry. Then find the A. What is the A? Acceleration of the lorry. So this is one lorry. It is moving on a road. Road having definitely some friction. So its coefficient of friction not equals to 0. So here you take coefficient of friction as a 0.5. Here I am not telling about mu s or mu k. So that belongs to simply coefficient of friction. If I had told to you mu s, that belongs to coefficient of static friction. If I had told to you that mu k, coefficient of kinetic friction. I am not told anything. Just I had told mu. So that belongs to coefficient of friction. That I am taking as 0.5. Okay. So your lorry is moving with some A acceleration. Due to this, some mass of the block M is attached due to the pseudo force. If the lorry is moving with some constant velocity, acceleration 0, at that time no pseudo force. Velocity constant or rest goes to inertial frame. If it is having some acceleration, it goes to non-inertial frame or accelerated reference frame. In the accelerated reference frame only, we are receiving pseudo force. The pseudo force is exactly opposite to our acceleration direction. Due to that, generated acceleration is minus a naught. Due to this one is pseudo force created. So area equal to minus a naught, magnitudes are equal but opposite in direction. The mass of the block is m, ma, that equal to ma naught. Acceleration generating, due to that pseudo force generating. So this is the plane of contact. Perpendicular to plane of contact, generated force is called normal reaction. I had already told you in the case of horizontal plane. So here frictional force balancing mg weight, due to that only block not falling. So this is about the total story about this. Here g value given 10 meter per second square. So once you see frictional force balancing mg weight, simple thing. Frictional force balancing mg weight, due to that only block not falling. What is the formula for frictional force? Mu into normal reaction. That thing we know. So mu into normal reaction, that equals to m. Okay. What is the normal reaction? Normal reaction generated in the case of vertical plane due to pseudo force only P. So simply pseudo force equal to normal reaction. So you write it as mu into pseudo force, that equals to mg. So mu into, what is the formula for pseudo force? Ma only. So ma not writing. Ma not equal to again ma. So ma right. That equals to m. M cancel. So a into mu equals to g. I want acceleration. So that equals to g by mu k. Here no need of mass of the block. Any kind of mass of block also attaches, because acceleration is independent of mass, depends upon g and mu only. For any kind of mass, 1 kilogram or 50 kilograms if you give also attaches. But what is the acceleration of the trolley or truck? That must be g by mu. So what is the g value? 10. What about mu value? 0.5. So this is our answer. So 100 by 5. 5 on the 5. So acceleration must be 20 meter per second square. In this case only, that block attaches to the front plane, not falls downward. This is about motion of the block in the vertical plane.